Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily edit the card information in the Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what we want to do is, as you guys can see, we've got the card right here. We have the details, we have the security codes, we have everything right here ready. And now we need to click on this pen right here. So click on the card first, click on the pen. And here you guys will be able to change everything like the item name, folder, cardholder name, number, visa, expiration month and year, security code, and also the notes. So it's like you just set up the card for the next time. So for example, as you guys can see here, after we enter the number 4, we will have the visa. Now let's change it to, let's say, Discover, or even let's say American Express. Here we can add the custom numbers. So for example, the first batch, second one, now the next one, and the next one. Here we have the numbers. Now we can change the expiration month to, let's say, May 2027. And we can also change the security code from 067 to, let's say, 123. Now we can change the notes to AE, which is the American Express, and click on Save. As you guys can see, here we have the Amex card now instead of the Visa. We have the cardholder name, number. As you guys can see, everything's changed. And that's basically how you guys can do that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.